today take a look at the UYECOVE 1/4-inch drive torque wrench. That's cool. It's actually got a full plastic case on it. Okay, so that's pretty cool. We actually got a bunch of different drivers in here as well. So I like seeing that this was calibrated and actually tested. So for a setting of 4, we got 4.03, 4.00, and 4.0. That's extremely accurate. And then for 12, we got 12.05, 12.06, 12.05. And then for 20, we got 2019, 2019, 2016. So yeah, that is about the most accurate torque wrench you're going to find in this range. And although you can't find other 1/4-inch torque wrenches, most of them are going to go up to much higher ranges than this. This one is designed for low torque loads. So basically, if you're going to be going into soft materials, anything like that, if you want to have everything set to spec, this is going to be the torque wrench you want for that. You can see we got Newton meters on one side. If we spin it around, we got inch pounds on the other. So you got both ranges. And I also really like this collar style. This is my favorite style, so I can just grab this thing and spin it down. And then when those numbers line up, it clicks into place, so you know you're exactly where you need to be. It is reversible, and it has a quick release style drive, so you can go ahead and drop those sockets out easily. On the dial, you can see we got 2 different sets of numbers. On the top, it is Newton meters, and on the bottom, it is inch pounds. It does come with an extension, so if you need to get into a tight to reach spot, you can use that. And then we have all hex sockets up here, and then 3 Torx sockets. So it's everything from a 2mm up to a 10mm, so quite a large size. Then we got a Torx T10, T25, and T30. Also has a nice filling ratchet mechanism. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this guy to work. So this is a Tektro, so this should be at around 8 to 10 Newton meters to mount it to the frame. So I'm just going to set that to 10. Right there. Okay, that one's already tight. Good. So we already torqued to spec. And because if these parts fail, that can really put your life in jeopardy, these things can be really reassuring to have. So very happy to have this tool.